Good day, you are here at Bangkok E-Bike and thank you very much for purchasing the e-bike kit from us. This video basically will teach you how to operate this e-bike. First of all, I would like to make some caution. This e-bicycle can be resistant to water, okay? Basically, rain is okay, washing your bike is okay, but you should not submerge the bicycle into the water. Basically, not above the motor level, okay? And avoid it putting water directly onto the controller box. Basically, this is a normal bicycle with electronic motor on it. So you maintain it just like any other bicycle. The tire, the brake pad, disc brake, front fork, anything is all the interchangeable part for normal bicycle. That's the good thing about it. This is the controller unit and its screen. The LCD screen tells you everything that you need to know, okay? If you push this middle button, it will turn on the screen. Basically tell you the status of this e-bicycle, okay? If you see this 0 or 1, 2, 3, you can change it by up and down direction. Basically telling you how much power assist that is being given right now. There are actually 5 levels of gear. Electronic gear basically. You can actually leave all the power off by having it at 0. So if you pedal, nothing will move. I mean, in terms of motor, you just use your own power. But if you use level 1, it will give you a little push from the motor. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the maximum. If you're choosing 350 watt, it will give all the 350 watt power to this assist, okay? This is the battery level. This is the time you are operating it. This is the speed, kilometer per hour. This is the motor wattage. This is the total distance that you have been putting into the bike. This is basically telling you a temperature inside the motor. If you want to scroll through each menu, you can push the middle button. It will tell you a different indicator. Basically, maximum speed per hour that you have been putting through, and right now the current voltage of your battery. And yeah, you can scroll through on. Now, the function of this screen, if you hold up for 3 seconds, it will turn on this little lamp light, basically a headlight lamp. But actually what happened is that the screen, this is the bright daylight, but the screen will actually illuminate it. If I hold it again, you can see it shut off, okay? So now it's get dark. What happened is that if you are riding at night, you can hold this up button for 3 seconds. It will turn on the light, okay? Now, another interesting feature is that if you want to have the motor walk with you, basically uphill you are getting off the bike and want to walk assist. If you want to have the bike walking with you, basically pushing it uphill from the mountain, you can hold down button. Okay, let me lift up the bike. Hold down. What happened is that you will see the icon of the human walking, okay? This basically telling you is that this bicycle motor is walking with you at a speed about 7 kilometers per hour. So you can push this bicycle uphill much more easily. Now, this is the important part. This is called throttle, okay? Basically, this gives you an acceleration. You can do this and the bike will push forward, okay? Pushing down is go forward. The reason why there's a gap between this handle and this throttle is that there are gear lever over here. That's a gear indicator and mechanical gear over here. So there's some space, but it's still pretty easy to operate if you are getting familiar with it. This is the brake icon. If the brake icon show like this, the throttle will not respond. For safety and for the purpose of the motor stopping the power. Here is your controller bags. When you are on the uphill, this controller working very hard. So I would like to recommend you giving it a little breeze. So just leave this open if you want to push the motor, so it's actually basically better for the controller in the long run, okay? You can also do this when it rains or the temperature is getting cold, but if it's normal weather in Thailand and you are pushing the e-bike, I recommend you to leave it open up like this. On the battery, there are charging port over here. So it's covered by this little plastic piece. You can just actually lift it up and then use the plug and plug it directly to here. To charge the battery, you can insert this plug into the socket like this and push this side into the AC wall. This is a 110 and 220 AC adapter. So basically it works all over the world. You can use the adapter anywhere. To remove the battery, okay, this is a lock position. You cannot move the battery up and down. You need this key to make it unlock like this. And now you can slide it up, move forward. Okay, it's a little tight. Now it became apart from the bike. You can remove this and charge it at your house, in your room, no problem. Or you can charge it inside the bicycle like this. Please know that we have 1-year warranty on all of our product. Basically, a motor is 1-year warranty and also a battery is 1-year warranty. You can use it worry-free, okay? Please come to Bangkok E-Bike if you have any questions, you have a doubt what kind of model that might be suitable for you, and come and try, and I hope that you will like it. Thank you so much. See you again at Bangkok E-Bike. สวัสดีครับ